think about the values. I need to think about two things at this point. Again, the drawing is down, so I'm not thinking about the drawing so much right now. At some point, I'll reevaluate the drawing and make corrections. But having the drawing down now and moving on into the paint more, I'm thinking about two things. I'm thinking about values, keeping the values simple within the shadows. I'm thinking that there needs to be no more than, say, 3 or 4 values within the shadows, right? And the same thing within the light areas. I haven't worked on the light struck areas yet. I've been building up the shadow areas. I'll get into the light struck areas later. But right now, what I want to be conscious of is that in order for the painting to appear organized, the tradition of the old masters, of Rembrandt and Velasquez and Sargent and Savoya and all these other great artists, that is, or, also I very much admire, as I mentioned before, a great deal of illustrators who worked in this vein, including, of course, Norman Rockwell, J.C. Leyendecker, Dean Cornwell, N.C. Wyeth, Howard Pyle. It's a long, long list. And it's good to have such a long, long list. There's so many ways that I can go to look for inspiration on a long list. It's a very important thing as an artist to have people